In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade with prop firms directly on TradingView. This is a comprehensive guide that will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started by discussing what it means to trade with prop firms and why TradingView's integration is beneficial for traders like you. First, you'll want to find a proprietary trading firm that directly integrates with TradingView. This integration is critical as it allows you to analyze and execute trades within a seamless environment. Some firms have gone the extra mile by offering native integration via brokers like TradeFi through platforms similar to ACAP. These firms are termed fully integrated because they enable you to manage every stage of your trade, from analysis to execution, right from the friendly and familiar TradingView interface. Another approach taken by certain firms, such as those using Fundrow's innovative Trade Locker, involves embedding proprietary platforms directly into TradingView charts. This setup lets you execute trades with just one click from the chart, ensuring that your trading process remains uninterrupted and efficient. Once integrated, your experience becomes incredibly streamlined. Linking your TradingView account to your prop firm account gives you access to the trading panel. This is where all the magic happens. You can easily place orders right from within TradingView, choosing from different order types like market orders or limit orders. Be sure to set your risk parameters accurately here, and with that done, you can confidently execute trades directly from your TradingView platform. However, what if the prop firm you're interested in doesn't offer a direct integration with TradingView? Don't worry, you still have options. Even without direct integration, you can leverage TradingView's powerful analytics tools to perform your market analysis and sophisticated charting. This benefit is still yours to enjoy. For execution, however, you will need to use the platform mandated by the prop firm. Take, for example, Apex Trader Funding for futures. In such cases, you need to execute your trades on their required platforms, such as NinjaTrader or Rhythmic. If the option exists, you can link these external trading platforms back to your TradingView account, ensuring that your analysis and trading activities remain connected and easily accessible. This concludes our discussion for today. By following these guidelines, you'll be positioned to make the most of TradingView's features and the opportunities presented by your chosen proprietary trading firm. Trading requires precision and understanding, and these integrations are designed to offer just that: a seamless blend of powerful analysis tools and efficient trading execution methods. Stick with TradingView's environment, and with practice, you'll find yourself navigating these platforms like a seasoned trader. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!